Large parts of the northeastern United States are being impacted by a powerful winter storm, considered one of the most intense of the season. The storm has brought heavy snowfall, sharply dropping temperatures, and major disruptions to transportation and public services. According to U.S. weather authorities, snow began falling heavily early Sunday morning across New York City and neighboring areas of New Jersey. Meteorologists warn that the storm's effects are expected to continue throughout the week, increasing the risk of hazardous road conditions and prompting officials to urge residents to take extra safety precautions. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely as crews work to clear roads and restore normal operations.